Yo, what is up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you the Spotify obscurity rating that everyone is talking about on Spotify. Now, you don't actually go into Spotify to be able to see what it is. It basically tells you how obscure your Spotify music taste is compared to other people in your country that listen to Spotify. So in order to check that out, you want to go to a browser on your phone. In this case, I'm on Google Chrome, but it can be any browser. Then I'm just going to type Spotify obscurity. You can just type Spotify obscurity, it should pop up. And the website that we're looking for here is obscurifymusic.com. And you just want to tap on the first result that pops up. This is the website. All you need to do is tap on the login with Spotify button, then that's going to load up. So I'll just enter in my information real quick. Okay, so once you've successfully filled in your login username and password, it's going to take you here. It says welcome to Obscurify. Check out your stats below. So it just tells you your top genres at the top there. And then if you scroll down, it's going to tell you your obscurity rating. So for me, it's 69%. Your music is more obscure than 69% of 4,682 South African users on Obscurify. The higher the rating, the more obscure. And then you can scroll down and get more information. And you can even switch to a different country here. So if I want to tap on the United States, I can compare that. And then I can go back up and now it's 71%. So that's very cool to be able to compare like that. And that's how I'll compare with users in the US. And this is going to tell you your most obscure artists and tracks. So it's a pretty cool website. If you want to make use of it, you can do that by going to obscurifymusic.com. And that's it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.